Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. So in this video, we're going to talk about SECU. This is a credit union that anybody can actually join across the United States. We're going to talk about their personal lines of credit. In another video, we're going to talk about their business lines of credit. We're going to talk about what credit bureaus they actually check and more. So you definitely want to watch this video. The particular personal credit line that they offer goes up to $30,000. They also do a soft pull for your pre-qualification. So you definitely want to watch this entire video to see more videos like this on personal credit, business credit, and business grants. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon to receive notifications on when I release new videos. Wait a minute, really quickly, if you have bad credit or you even have decent credit, but you want to boost your credit and get negative items off of your credit report, like collections, repossessions, late payments, and inquiries, we teach you how to sweep your credit report and get items removed within as little as 30 to 60 days. It's a DIY ebook bundle that I just came out with that is going to help you clean your credit and boost your score up to 100 points or even more. We give you the ebook as well as information on how to structure your credit report to get high limit approvals. So these videos that you've been watching about getting $30,000, $50,000, or even $40,000 loans, you've tried to get approved for them and you got denied. It's because you have negative items on your credit report or way too many inquiries. So if you want to fix that, you should check out this DIY credit repair ebook bundle. You also get bonus information on how to boost your credit with no credit check, credit builder accounts, as well as a secret lenders list. Check it out right now. Link is in the description. Okay, so again, SECU allows you to be able to get an account from them from anywhere in the United States. Anybody can join SE. This is a credit union. They offer personal loans, lines of credit, as well as business loans and business lines of credit. So starting with the preferred lines of credit. So if you're not familiar with a line of credit allows you to borrow money and pay that money back, and it's revolving. So when you get a loan, a personal loan, that's all you have is that set amount, and once you pay it back, that's it. But with the line of credit, it's revolving. So say you spend $300 out of the $30,000, when you pay that $300 back, you still have $30,000 to use anytime you need it. Whereas loans are a one-time thing. You can get a new loan, but you can't keep using that same money. So as you pay down your balance, those funds become available again. It's like a credit card, but you get more money usually with a line of credit. So the credit lines go from $300 all the way up to $30,000. They have no application fees, no prepayment penalties. Again, they're going to either be checking Equifax or Experian. Also, in order to get pre-qualified, they will be doing a soft pull. Now, I believe if you sign up, you actually accept the offer, they will actually do a hard pull after that. And so the way that you would access your funds is that you can either request a check or you can transfer those funds to your SEC or SECU checking or savings account. So you can do that as well as go to the ATM, go to any one of their branches. I believe their branches are only in Maryland. Now when it comes to the rates, if we click on view rates here and we click on personal unsecured, it's going to show for the preferred line of credit, it is a 10.99% APR, and then that can kind of work out to $21.74 on your monthly payment per $1,000. And then for the signature loan, your max term to pay it back is 60 months, which is 5 years. And then the APR is 9.99%. And so when it comes to their loans, that also goes up to $30,000 as well. So if you click on personal and then you go under borrowing and click on personal loans, you'll scroll down and you'll click on unsecured signature loans, and you can see that this also goes up to $30,000. There also is a no application fee. You also get a no prepayment penalty. And then they also offer a variety of loan terms to make your monthly payments manageable. Also, you can use this loan to consolidate existing debt into one. So you can use this loan to pay off all of your debts if you get approved for enough to pay off all of your debts, and you will just pay monthly payments on this loan. You should be able to get a lower monthly payment and a lower interest rate, since credit unions usually offer lower interest rates than the traditional big banks. Also, you can pay this particular loan if you get approved online. It can be deducted automatically from your SECU checking account, or you can mail in your loan payments. So if you're interested in SECU, again, this is one of the credit unions that is offered nationwide, so you can sign up online. When you actually apply for a checking account with them or a savings account, again, I believe they check either Experian or Equifax. They do pull your credit, and they also will be most likely looking at your check systems as well. So make sure that you can actually get approved for their account if you have a good check systems report, as well as good credit with either Experian or Equifax. Okay, so here is information about their checking account. So they have an SECU total checking and rewards account. It's a checking account that grows with you. So they have 4 different types of reward levels based upon your account activity and participation. So this one has no monthly fees. You get a year's worth of free checks, access to 50,000 free ATMs, access to competitive interest rates, and you also get cash back on your debit cards. And then their savings account, they have 2 different types. So the share savings pays interest above the Maryland average. And then you can set up automatic transfers, also withdraw and transfer funds to and from other SECU accounts at any time without penalty. And then they have an additional savings account where you can open different savings accounts for different types of funds or different types of goals that you have. And then they also have money market accounts, certificate accounts. So that is it for this video. If you would like to go ahead and apply for a SECU checking account or savings account and then apply for one of their loan products, you can do that by going to seccumd.org and then click on open account.